Over here you can see that I got a bunch of layers now. So I'm just going to go around onto the first layer, and then I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, select out an object right here. So if I were to go around and move this onto the side, then you can see that that is there. Similarly, I can go around and select another layer right here and drag it over here on the side. Select that out right here, drag it over here on the top. So let's just go around, select this right here, drag it over here down, just like this. So once everything is done, you can go around and select out, let's say, for example, this one. And if you want to focus on this particular layer that you selected right here, then you can go around over here on to look at selected option right here. Once you click on it, you can see that object gets focused on. Similarly, you can go around right here and select out another object right here, just like this. So let me just go around, select it by selecting the layer first. So let's select it right here. And if I were to go around onto the camera right here, that is look at selected, then you can see that that becomes the center of attention right now, just like that. And that is how you can go around and utilize the look at selected option to focus on one particular object that you select. So you can go around right there, and then once you click on it, you can see it looks at selected. You can select out another layer, click on look at selected right here, and then it selects out this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.